Good job. Straight line. Oh, careful. That's why I told you to be careful. Follow. Remove mo muna yung scissors. Tapos, you have to follow the line. O, other side naman. Go. Be careful. Hold mo yung paper. Then, hold the paper.
Hold it for me.
No. You have to hold your yeah. And be careful at the same time. Go. Open the scissors. Not Stacy. Wait.
I don't move.
Okay, here. Open it. Open. Very good. Okay, go. Careful with tita's hand. Oh, follow the line. You see the line? You put the scissor there. Look at tita. Oh, look at tita.
I don't know
Like
how.
that. And then you put the scissors here. Right there. Okay? Okay. You can do it. Carefully. Okay? Ayan. Diinan mo. Up. No. Up. Taas mo. Tayo mo.
Kaya nga di ba tita sa
Go.
bansa di siya ako punta. Swerte, no?
Ayan. Isa pa. Ayan. Isa pa. Very good. Isa pa. Good job. There you go. Very good. Open mo. Tapos puput nyo yun. Ito. Lalagyan natin sa mamaya. O, ito.
Now your turn.
Cut. No, this is your turn. This is still your turn. You have to finish your day. Cut this.
Is that the line?
Yes, the lines. Okay. Very good. Okay. Oh, this one naman. Okay. Oh, not there. Follow the line. Look at the line. Is that the line? No, ma'am. Here's the line. Okay, go. Up. You see the line? You have to put the scissors there. Okay, go. Oh, very good. Okay, careful. Okay, good job. There you
Like
go.
a shoes.
Yo, good job ka, ate. Oh, you
It
cut
looks like a
this one.
shoes.
Oo nga, oh. You cut this one. Very good.
Draw na lang here. Dali. Come here.
Ayan, lagay natin dito.
Tawag sa akin, titi.
No, ayos. Up. Ang proper hawak ng ganyan. Oh, ganyan, di ba? 2 fingers here. Okay, go. You can do it. You were able to do this. Okay, go. Go. Yan, very good. Oo. Okay, go. There. Okay. Yeah, not like that. Okay, very good. Oops, careful. Follow the line. Go. You can do it. You're good. You're doing good. Oh, yan, go. Very good. Oh. Ito naman. Do it nicely, ha? Be careful. Oh, it doesn't work that way. How do you hold the scissors? Is that how you hold the scissors? You forgot? Okay, good job, ate. Up. Okay, go. Good job. Okay, there. Do it nicely. You can do it. Yeah. Ate Stacy, go. You can do it. Do it nicely. Wait lang. Oh, go. Diinan mo. Go, very good. Opa, edi tapos ka na. Good job. Oh, here's your letter J. J for what?
Ja.